Hey guys, what's going on? So, Halloween's right around the corner. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami gravestone, see? And if you look closely at it, there's actually a gravestone inside. But to see that one a little bit better, we just have to hold the light from behind. Here, let me turn off the main lights. So, you just shine the light from behind, and there you can see it a lot better, just like that. Isn't that cool? Alright, turn my lights back on. And what's also cool about it is that it's got vampire teeth too, see? Just like that. And you can hide them. And alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I used a 6-inch square of kami that's white on both sides. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami that's colored on one side and white on the other. So it'll be easier to follow. So I'm going to use gray and white. So let's begin white side up. So this will have a white gravestone inside. So the inside gravestone will be white. And then the border around it will be gray. So begin white side up and let's fold in half. Alright, now unfold and now fold to the crease. Alright, and now fold to the crease again. To the crease you just made. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Alright, just like this. And now, let's fold the model in half this way. Okay, now unfold. And now, we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up. So the fold is going to originate here. And we want this point to touch this crease. Alright, crease that sharply and repeat on this side. So anchor the fold here and make sure that this point touches this crease. Okay, just like this. So this is the top of the gravestone right here. And now we're going to do is we're going to fold this up right on this point right here. Alright. And yeah, and to make sure you're going straight up, make sure that this crease right here aligns with this crease and the edges align right here too. So yeah, make sure I'm going on that point. Alright, good. Close enough is fine too. Doesn't matter. Alright, and repeat that on this side. Okay, just like that. Alright, and now, it looks kind of like a gravestone, but it doesn't look so good with this kind of sticking out. So, see how it's kind of sticking out a little bit? Let's kind of eliminate that by folding it up more. So, just fold it up like this. It's really to taste. I think if you fold it up more, it'll make the gravestone wider. But just do it about this much. Okay, and now unfold. And now let's tuck it inside, so mount and fold it. Like that. There, see? Now it'll look more like a gravestone, because there's no edge sticking out. And let's repeat on this side. So fold it up a little bit, like this. Doesn't matter how much. And now let's fold it inside. Just like this. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is if you like it like this, then you're done. So this is just a magical gravestone. So if you turn it over, the gravestone disappears, but then when you shine the light from behind, it reappears just like that. Alright, so you can end here if you like, but if you wanna put the vampire teeth on it like this, then here's how to do that. And it'll shorten the gravestone too. But it doesn't matter, it still looks really nice. Okay, now zoom in for this. Let's make the vampire teeth. So take this edge and fold it to this edge. It's just like we're making a paper airplane. Alright, and repeat on this side. Alright, unfold. And now let's turn over and fold this up in between these 2 points. Alright, now let's open this pocket right here. And squash. Like that. And repeat on this side. Okay, so here's the teeth right here. And now let's get rid of this ugly white part here. So take this edge and fold it to here. Alright, keep that nice and sharp. And now let's narrow the fangs out. So take this edge and fold it to this edge. Alright, and repeat on this side. Alright, and there is the vampire teeth. See, just like that. And to make them disappear and reappear, it's really easy. I'm sure you know how to do that. Just turn over, and we're gonna fold this up right over this edge, like this. See, just like this. See, now they're disappeared, and they reappear just like that. Oh, and if you like, you can make some. I'm not gonna show this, but you can make some mountain folds right here if you want to make teeth right here. But I'm not gonna do that because I think it's nice just like this. See, it's nice and clean looking, and it's simpler. So yep, there it is. So you can put little mountain folds right here, however much you like, to make teeth right there too. All right, so there it is. And maybe you can kind of round this off a little bit. Make this look like a gravestone too by turning over and fold this point to the intersection right there. Alright, and now fold this up, anchoring the fold right there. And this is to taste. Just make sure that this point doesn't go beyond this edge on this side. See, you can kind of look at it from the light right here. Maybe if you shine light from behind, you can kind of see it. Just make sure you don't see a point there. Okay. About like this. Yeah, I better hurry up and get this video done because my camera is about to die. Okay, and repeat on this side. I need to charge my camera. Alright, just like that. And now, here we have a gravestone with a gravestone inside. And it's got fangs right here that magically come out. And you can hide them like this. And of course, the coolness about this is that if you turn it over, it disappears, but if you shine the light from behind, it reappears just like that. So, there you have it. Maybe it can be a flicker. No, not really. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and were able to. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.